Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's really exciting. It's the next JMC Designs launch and I'm going to show you the things that I've made with this month's Digi-Stamps. So there are two collections being launched this month and they are both themed around birds. So I have been having a good play and this is the first card I made. I just thought she was so cute, and I used some spellbinder dies and just some ribbon and bits from my stash, and she's coloured in with pro markers and just a simple card. I thought it was really pretty, and I made my own little sentiment for this one, that the kit, if you buy the whole collection together, comes with sentiments, which is great because you can basically have a card all in one. Then I picked this lovely image to work with and I foiled it with gold foil, and I'm going to do a tutorial on how I did that, but as long as you have a laser printer that has toner in it, you can foil your images. So that's really cool when you have Digi-Stamps, because you can foil the outline of your stamps, and it works great with pencils and pro marker colouring. And then with the negative, or maybe the positive, I don't know which way around, I made this card because I just couldn't throw it away, it was too pretty. And yeah, it was a very different card. This one I used a piece of pattern paper in the background and it was actually just grey and white, so I added the colour with my pro markers and a blender pen just to give the background a subtle tone from the gold. I didn't want to put a real bright or vibrant pattern because the gold was quite bright in the first place and it would have been too much. And then I've used some clear Nouveau drops on that one. This is a more of a mixed media page. I haven't put it in my journal yet. I just worked on a flat piece of card and I layered up some book pages with some Mod Podge and used my gelatos to make this cool background. And I had a little scribble with my big brush markers from Faber-Castell, and I used this lovely image here. I thought he looked a bit like a toucan, so I thought that I would use this sentiment from the set, and he just worked perfect with that image. I thought it was a very fun project to make. I really enjoyed that one. And then I had some leftover scraps from the previous project, so I used part of it to make a panel for this card. And I used some different pattern papers and some paper flowers that I doodled on. Ooh. Yep, and I just had fun colouring in all of Julia's lovely images. I think this bird is my favourite. I just love her a lot. I think she's great and I love colouring her in. So yeah, had fun playing with that one. Then I decided to make a couple of tags. I have this one. I'll put the names on the screen of the character names. And I made this one. Oh, this one is a mixed media background with gelatos, and I think I used Distress Oxides on it and some sequins, washi tape, some torn up bits of sticky tape, some sequins, all sorts, and then I added these puffy stickers and I used this cute little sentiment. So fun. Added all these ribbons, and on this one I did the napkin technique where I Mod Podge down the napkin and then added glitter on top while it was drying. And I used this sentiment, I'm not a night owl or early bird, I'm an exhausted pigeon, and that just made me laugh because that's exactly how I was feeling when I made it. So those are the little tags I made. Then I found Lovely Lashes Edna, and it just cracked me up because she looked like an emu to me, and my friend was chatting to me once, and they called me M for short, and he was trying to say, M, you sound like blah blah blah, and he joined the M and the U together to come out emu, so it sounded like he was calling me emu, and it just kind of stuck. And when I saw this, I laughed so hard and I just had to play with it. So I made my own sentiment, and I just coloured the background with distress inks. Yeah, distress inks, just the regular ones, and I used some water to lift some of the colour off. I edged the yellow paper with the same colour distress inks. I think I used ripe persimmon and carved pumpkin, I want to say. And then I got these from Hobbycraft, and the rest is just scraps from other projects and some bits from my stash, which was fun. And then the last card I have to share with you today is one with Prudence, and she is gold foiled. Oh, yeah, you can see it there. And I have a glitter inlay technique, which is using a die cut from Tim Holt's Mixed Media Backgrounds, and I put double-sided tape on the back and then covered it in glitter. And if you'd like to see the tutorial on how to do gold foiling on your cards, I am going to upload that for Saturday, so you are welcome to come back and have a watch. Please make sure that you've subscribed and you've hit the notification bell though, so you don't miss it. And go ahead and check out the other ladies on the design team. I will leave all of the information of how to find them in the description box below, and a link to Julia's store. And then before I go, I thought I'd just show you the other bits that I've printed off and coloured or getting ready to colour, so you can see the whole collection. So I haven't used this one yet, but I'm planning to. I've already foiled her ready. I just thought she's beautiful, and that was my first attempt. I actually used a neon marker, but it's not showing up very well on camera. So I've got a couple of ideas for those coming. And then I think this guy's called Sid or Fred, I can't remember. I'll put all of the names on the screen. Just love this one. He looks so frazzled. And then another cute one that I've coloured in. How sweet is that? I love the daisy in the hair. And then this is another one with Edna. Can't wait to play with that one. She looks a bit like an ostrich there. I like that. And then I coloured another Prudence in, and I've got another one of these just because I really want to use it. I just love this one. And then there's two collections, so one of them is So Tweet and the other one is Crazy Chicks, and depending on which collection you buy, you get these sentiments in there. And they're just really fun and quirky. I thought this collection would be great for mixed media and journaling, but also some just really funny like tags and just general crafty projects. And then if you want to mix it up with some stamps, you can make some great cheeky sounding birthday cards, like calling people elf birds and stuff. So yeah. That's all I have to share with you today. I will be playing with these a bit more, so you can look out for more ideas on social media. We also have a Facebook group if you guys want to join and see what everyone's making. And yeah, I'll leave the links to everybody else in the description box below. And thank you for watching. Bye! "50 awesome points to everybody who got this far in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can find out when I release new videos, and there are a couple of videos here for your delectation if you so desire.